Jude say? Getting sleepy? You getting sleepy, honey? Hi, Jude. Say hi. Oh, little boy Blue, come blow your horn. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Say Jude Mateo Zola, cutest boy in town. You are mimicking me, you little monkey. Are you mimicking me? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're wearing beautiful jammies from Auntie Joan and Uncle Dan. Yes. You're getting sleepy. You're getting sleepy. Hello. Hello. Oh, we have the sun in a mirror, and we have a dragonfly. We have such nice things. Little boy Blue. Oh, he's so sleepy now. Who's the cutest boy we know? Hey, Jude. Hey, Jude. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Tonight's gonna be your first week birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, we're so tired. What kind of Nana just bothers you with the camera and doesn't cuddle you and rock you to sleep, huh? What kind of Nana would do that, honey? Beautiful boy. And your daddy sang Rubber Ducky to you today. He said, Rubber Ducky, you're the one. You make bath time so much fun. Look at those eyes. Oh, oh, we're so beautiful. Who's gorgeous?